Hello everybody, today we make Acqua Pazza. Acqua Pazza, it's a crazy water. In my city we call it Acqua Pazza. When you crazy, we call it Tusino Pazza. Now the Acqua Pazza, the water gotta be the salt water. It's for the ocean. And what I got a sea salt, and I got the water over here, and I put a teaspoon inside the water and make Acqua Pazza. Acqua Pazza. Crazy water. For the ingredient we got catfish, sea salt, fennel, tomato, shallot, garlic, parsley, water, pepper, flake hot pepper, and white wine. Okay, now we start with the pizza. Put the gas on, and let's start to put oil. We warm up a little bit the oil, not too much, and now we start with the shallot and the garlic. Oh, the garlic smells so good already. Okay, and we turn a little bit this, we break it. Okay, good. We saute this now, and after we gotta put the fennel. Okay, now we put the fennel. The fennel I chop with a knife, nice, not too thick and not too thin. And we give a nice turn on this. And I want to put the little wine. Smell really good already. Okay, now we put the tomato. And we give a nice turn of the tomato over here. At the same time, we gotta put the sea salt in the water. Acqua Pazza call this dish. And we gotta use sea salt. And I put sea salt in the water. And like this, we turn a little bit. And we put it right over here. That's what you call Acqua Pazza. And I got the flake hot pepper. And I got pepper. Make sure the pepper do wash really good. It's really salty. Okay, and this is done. Now we cook this a little bit. Got the tomato, gotta make a nice little juice, a little sauce. Okay, now this is boiled nice, and now it's time to put the fish. And look at beautiful fish, really, really nice. And we put right inside over here, one by one. But this is, you call it catfish. Now I put the tomato, everything on top of the catfish. And look how beautiful it look. You say everybody make funny of me. I say catfish, bacala. I don't know. Hey, everybody knows me anyway. Everybody say, leave alone, Pasquale. Pasquale is good. He speak really good English, not too bad. Italiano, I speak a little French. I want to put a little parsley. This parsley, maybe nobody believe me, got a lot of snow outside. But this parsley, it's from my garden. Everybody say, Pasquale, I don't believe you. Believe me. I got a parsley, I got a cilantro, I got a mint, I got everything outside. Okay, now I shake a little bit like that. Put it on low. And we put the cover. Like this I can see my catfish. Nice. Okay, all done. It's a 20 minutes. Turn the gas off and let's bring the pots right over here. And look how beautiful. And I want to taste it now. Put this little tomato on the top, the onion, not the onion, yeah, onion and the fennel. A little parsley, for decoration. Now, let's test. It's really delicious. So good. I like to eat all this all by myself, but I gotta have somebody else that gotta eat it too. Thank you so much. It's so good. Make this. It's really delicious. Thank you. And we see next time. Thank you. Everybody say, Pasquale, what happened? You make a mistake? No, it's no mistake. I never want to forget my wine. I want to do cincin e salute everybody. My wine, it's all the time on the side. On the side of my stove, on the table, every place. Salute e cincin with the fish. Delicious. Salute e cincin everybody. Cincin, drink with me. A salute! Really good, nice cold. That's the way you gotta be the white wine. Cincin.